Welcome to Santa Monica, one of the most iconic beach cities in Southern California. This place is all about relaxed but upscale coastal lifestyle. It's active, social, and honestly just a really fun place to spend a few days. Today, I'm checking into the Santa Monica Proper Hotel. It's located a few blocks from the ocean, right in the heart of Santa Monica near Wilshire Boulevard and 7th Street. From the outside, it looks pretty understated. But the second you walk in, it's a completely different story. It's warm, stylish, a little bohemian. It kind of feels like you just stepped into someone's really expensive beach house. There are layers of textures everywhere. Soft, neutral colors, oversized couches, vintage-inspired pieces, sculptural lighting, and all these little cozy corners that somehow still feel elevated. You can really feel Kelly Wearstler's design influence throughout the space. Nothing matches in the traditional sense, but somehow it all works together, making the whole lobby feel calm and almost cinematic. I love the layout as well. It's not one big open space. It's broken up into these little pockets, almost like mini living rooms. You'll see people tucked into corners having coffee, working, or just relaxing. It feels social, but not loud. All the materials are very tactile. You kind of want to touch everything. The couches aren't stiff, but low and soft. The rugs look vintage, slightly worn in, like they've been there forever. Lighting is another big part of it. During the day, you get this really soft, natural light coming through, hitting all these textures, so everything looks kind of warm and diffused. And then at night, it shifts. It gets moodier, more intimate, almost like a lounge. So yeah, first impression, this lobby isn't just a pass-through space. It's kind of the heart of the whole hotel. The rooms aren't huge in a traditional luxury hotel sense, around 400 square feet, but the layout and furniture makes them feel warmer and more comfortable rather than cramped. It's definitely more of a boutique hotel approach to rooms. A lot of the furniture leans very organic and coastal. The colors are very soft and earthy. There's a lot of natural textures, warm lighting, linen fabrics, and wood details. Every piece of furniture looks carefully picked out. Even the coffee tables and side tables have this handmade quality to them. Some rooms come with balconies. Depending on the room, you'll get views of the surrounding neighborhood, parts of the ocean in the distance, or the city itself. Bathrooms are very modern with marble finishes, nice showers, and Aesop products throughout. The rooftop pool is beautiful, but it's definitely very small for a hotel this size and price point. It's probably better during the week, because on weekends it gets really crowded. Both days I was there, I actually had to wait for a lounge chair, which was kinda disappointing. And because the pool is directly connected to Calabra, the rooftop restaurant and bar, it doesn't feel very private or particularly quiet. The whole space is very social and energetic, which I know a lot of people enjoy, but personally, I prefer a calmer, more relaxing pool atmosphere. Dining here really centers around Calabra, their rooftop restaurant. It really feels like the center of the hotel socially. It's super popular and can easily get crowded and loud, especially on weekends. The menu leans Mediterranean and very wellness-focused, so you'll see a lot of fresh seafood, vegetables, spreads, and salads. It's definitely one of those places where people come as much for the atmosphere as the actual food. The rooftop setting is really what makes it special, though. The hotel also offers a pretty solid list of amenities, although my experience was a little mixed. There's a gym located in a separate building, which already makes it slightly less convenient. And unfortunately, both days I was there, the power was out, so I didn't really get the full experience. The spa, though, honestly looked really impressive. I didn't end up trying any treatments, but the menu alone stood out to me because the offerings were extensive. They have everything from more traditional massages and facials to a lot of wellness-focused stuff. Overall, I can definitely see why people love Santa Monica proper. It's definitely a very social and busy hotel. If you're looking for a calm, quiet luxury experience, this probably isn't the best fit. But if you love design-forward hotels, social energy, and that very specific Santa Monica lifestyle feel, you'll probably really enjoy staying here.